In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to deploy your app in Base44 step by step. By the end, you'll take a working app in your workspace and make it publicly accessible with a shareable link. Before we start, make sure you can access the project in Base44 and that your latest changes are saved in the editor. So what you publish reflects your current work. Open your browser and head to app.base44.com. Sign in if prompted and confirm you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to multiple organizations. Using the wrong workspace is a common reason people can't find their app. On the left navigation, click Apps. This page lists the projects you can view or edit. If you don't see what you expect, double-check the workspace selector and your permissions. Locate the app you want to deploy. You can type in the search bar or use filters like My Apps or your workspace to narrow things down. Select the app to open its editor or preview. Take a moment to verify the version you're about to deploy. Glance at recent changes, confirm key screens render correctly, and save any pending edits. If you manage multiple apps with similar names, verify you've opened the correct one. Inside the app view, find the Publish control and click it. Publishing takes the current state of your app and creates a production build that users can access. You may see a quick summary of what's going live. When you're ready, click Publish App to confirm. This kicks off the deployment process. Build times vary based on your app's size and assets. Expect anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Keep the tab open while it runs, watch for a success message, and if you see any warnings or errors, address them and try publishing again. Once publishing succeeds, Base44 will provide a public URL. Click to copy that link. It typically uses a Base44 app subdomain, though your organization might map a custom domain. Open a new browser tab and paste the URL. If it's your first load after publishing, give it a moment. Caches may still be warming. If you see an older version, do a hard refresh or open the link in a private window to bypass cached files. You should now see your published app live. Click through core pages and key actions to confirm everything behaves as expected. This is the link you can safely share with your team or stakeholders. When you make future updates, return to your app, apply changes, and publish again. The public URL stays the same while the platform rolls out your latest version. That's the full flow from editor to live site in Base4 Thanks for watching.